You know how to kill him too, right?
It's recording.
He dizzy. Hey, just sit down, T, sit down. He dizzy.
Yeah, that was the baddest shit I've ever seen in my life. You know how
He
that
did.
headache?
Headache. He ain't even talking. Hey, sit him down, call the ambulance. He put that foot on his ass. He dizzy. Come on, Lionheart. Put it on Chris.
Come on, Lionheart.
No, Chris, you gotta go over him, Chris.
You should know you can shake this My boy know how to shake those.
Put your head down.
Come on, Lionheart.
What was that? Come on, man. Between the cones.
Y'all scoot up. Hey, get out the way. No, we coming up so that he can't go to the outside, folks.
Don't come to the outside. Go over him, Chris.
If you go to the outside, y'all better push it.
Go to the outside. Push him back in.
No, come on, man. You can't run now.
Watch his feet. Hey, he get on. He get both his feet up.
I never say.
I thought you be hitting.
You gonna see if he hit.
Oh, I thought you were
Lionheart finna put it on him. Straight from JV.
I was about to say, dang, he put it down on him like that. Shit in his face. I thought you be hitting Chris. You was still
Put that ass in his face.
in school, you be like,
Pop
oh,
that
I be
ass,
hitting.
ass,
Oh, I'm
ass,
good.
ass,
I be hitting. I be murdering people.
Hey, he just called you out, sir. You know what time it is.
Make the hit, Jay. Ooh, he going with Jay. Ooh, he going with Jay.
Then I need some more, what you call it?